Ciao dear Sicily lovers, we have great news for you.
As you know, all our group tours of Sicily in 2025 are already sold out. So, by popular demand, we decided to release another edition in October. From October 4th to October 13, 2025, it's as always our ideal tour of Sicily, the Sicily Lovers Tour, which combines the best accommodation, terrific food, and the most exciting activities with locals in the best Sicilian locations.
And we are very happy to offer you the early booking discount if you book your spot within the end of the year. So visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and secure your spot. We look forward to taking care of you. Love,
Hugs and kisses from Sicily!